Okay, this is the assembly of a Supertooth Roothog. This is how everything goes together with all the parts. Take these two spacers, put them down here first. Then line up your chain, making sure it's flipped the right direction. Drops right on. Two more of these. Put them on. Now when you come over here to the next one, you actually have to make a pattern and to line them up. So the back of this one here and this one here, it makes a little arrow. So when you put it on, it'll go like that. Okay? If you get it wrong, you'll see a different pattern. So then you put two more of these on. See the difference of the width here? How these are touching? So you have to line the next one up this way. Find the back of it to the back of it and you put it on. And it makes a little arrow. See, it puts a bigger gap here. The next one comes back to an arrow. Two more washers. Again, sometimes you have to flip them this way to make it fit. Line them up. Then you get your last one here. You make sure it's lined up, back to back. You see how I turned it to find the right way? Put that on. That piece, you got your washer and your bolt. That goes through here, and then you have your adapter. Your adapter goes in here, like that, and then you tighten it on down in. And then tighten it up to the right snug, and you are ready to go. See the pattern? Arrow, arrow, gap, gap. See how that works? And that's the assembly of the Roothog.